Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Forms link in a PDF. If you want to collect responses using Google Form but need to share it in a PDF document, you can easily add a clickable link inside the PDF. This is useful for registration form, feedback surveys, event sign-ups, or applications, where users access the form directly from a PDF file. And here's how you can do it. The first step is to create your Google form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com or go to Google Workspace /products/forms. And after that, make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you're logged in, you're gonna be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, go to the Start New section form and create a blank form. You can add the title for your form and a short description describing the purpose of your form and informations, etc. Now after that, add the necessary fields and customize the form as needed. You can add the fields by clicking on the Add Question button on the right menu here. And you can write sections for name, emails, phone number, etc. You can also customize the theme from here to make it stand out. You can change the colors, the theme, you can add header images, etc. The second step is to copy the Google Forms link. And to do that, after you finish modifying your form, click on Publish and confirm publishing. And after that, click on the Share button and make sure you change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link. Now if you want to restrict your form, you can choose restricted, but make sure you enter the emails of the people you want to fill the form in this section right here. Now for this video, I'm just gonna click on anyone with the link and I'm gonna click on the copy the responders link, and just like that, as you can see, the link is copied in my clipboard. You can also use a URL shortener like bit.ly if you want a cleaner, shorter link. Now the third step is to insert the link in a PDF document. And to do that, just open Words or Google Docs or any text editor where your PDF content is written. Example, let's look for a word. Here you can create a new blank document. And you can type a call to action like click here to fill out the form. And copy the link, as you can see here. Now highlight the text by clicking on right click and choose insert link, then paste the form. Let's try it here. Go to insert section right here and look for the link options. As you can see here, you can write the text to display here and click on OK. You can choose whether you want to place the here, target the frame, okay. Then paste the form URL. The fourth step is to convert the document as to PDF. Now in Google Docs or MS Word, click on File, then download in PDF. In Word, just click on Save As. You can choose the location. For example, I'm going to choose desktop and choose Save as Type, and then go to PDF and click on Save. And that's it. You can also test the PDF link to ensure it works. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your PDF has a clickable Google Form link, making it easy for recipients to access the form. If you liked this video or found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.